Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how to adjust the time that you're given between when a customer places an online order and when it tells them the order is going to be ready. They call it the lead time. What you're going to want to do is go to hrpos.heartland.us and then go to your menu icon here at the top and go to Location Setup and then go to Online Ordering. We're going to go to the middle tab up here on the top, which is Online Ordering. We're going to scroll down to our Carryout settings. So right here, you'll see that there is Carryout lead time in minutes. So you can adjust this. This is where you set your base time. And you can also adjust this on the iPad, which I'll do in a separate video. So let's say you don't need 15 minutes. Let's say you just need 10 minutes. You would adjust that lead time and then go down to the bottom here and hit save. And then publish changes. And that will change your carryout base lead time. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.